My mission for the day with the Royals was to get my Matariki book in the hands of Prince George.
Ready?
First stop, Pacific Aerospace.
Yeah, looking.
Oh, here they come. Here he is, but the window is firmly closed.
Kate, we took the scene.
Meanwhile,
Kate.
says he will speed past at any moment with her entourage on the way to Rainbow Place. There we go. And you can see her hand, the royal hand. Somebody at the venue said that there was a rumour about Tamahere School being the rendezvous place. So I went there and it seemed like something was up. Sure enough, here comes the prince. Fortunately, I'd already enlisted the help of a young girl at the front of the crowd who said she'd do her best to get the book to the prince when he arrived. Would he get out of the car? He wasn't actually scheduled to get out of the car, but Kate was late. So out he came, straight to the girl at the front, holding the Matariki book.
He's just got my book. We did it!
How exciting. He even gave her a high five. Finally, Kate arrived.
That one there, the second silver one.
Lots of whistles and cheering.
There she is. Just right here.
Wearing a bottle green ensemble. Would she get out of the car?
Maybe shy.
Of course. Tamahere School's big day. I love this moment when she taps William on the shoulder, tells him, I'm here to help. Great, how was it with you? What a fabulous country. But we've got to go. Cambridge is waiting.
Oh no, he's going away. Oh my gosh. They're running late.
I ran to the road and sure enough, got a spot right beside the road to get one final glimpse.
Oh yeah, he's got
The future king.
This one here.
And another one. Enjoy the book, Royals. Mission accomplished.